Hey, what's up, guys? This is Tony here, and I'm going to show you how to clean your hands after you've been working on your car without Gojo soap or any of those expensive cleaners. Just three simple ingredients, okay? Number one, dirty hands. Number two, laundry soap powder. And number three, hand soap. So I'm going to show you guys that. Right now my hand is clean, but I'm going to dirty it up on purpose just to show you what's going on. So I'm going to, rub my hands all over my exhaust manifold. Let's say I've been working on the alternator, that gets it real greasy. I'm going to reach down, I'm going to grab my AC compressor. My hands are all mummicked up. Look at all that dirt. So let me just grab my oil cap, my engine oil cap. See how filthy my hands are? All right, then, for good measure, let's shut the hood. And I'm going to mess with the rims of my car. Let's say I just changed a tire, okay? Just to show you that this works on any kind of grimy situation. I mean, that's truly filthy. So, without further ado, I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to actually show you how to get your hands clean of all of that, because this is pretty filthy. Hey, sweetheart, do you mind locking the door? All right, so now I'm going to show you how to clean your filthy hands. Like I said, all you really need is laundry soap powder. This is just Gain soap powder. Hand soap, that's soft soap. So I'm going to set my camera down here. Hopefully you have a decent angle here. You can still see the dirty hands. Get the water running. First things first, get some soft soap. Wash your hands regular with the soft soap just to sort of get everything ready for the next chemical reaction that's going to take place. Then, soap powder in your hands. Soft soap. Mix them together. Now, it's going to get a little warm in your hands. I assume that it's some kind of exothermic chemical reaction. As a disclaimer, I am not your chemist nor your doctor. So if you discover that there's something messed up about this chemical reaction, let me know, but I'm not giving you medical advice. I'm just showing you a way to get yourself out of a pinch in case you just finished working on your car and dinner's ready soon and you don't have any Gojo in your house. You can take laundry soap powder. You can take soft soap or any kind of commercial hand soap. And look, my hand is clean. Now, you'll want to work a little bit harder to get the grime under your nails. You may just have to take another nail or take a nail clipper and pick that out. And then usually, just for good measure, I do a second round. Combine the hand soap and the soap powder until you get like a paste. And once you have that paste, you've got cleaning power. It's going to be warm in your hands. It's a chemical reaction. Now, one little warning that I would tell you not to do. Do not use dish soap for this. Just use hand soap. I've used dish soap before, and it stinks and it smells like ammonia. And it's really caustic. I wouldn't mess with that. But just like that, look. That hand that was dirty literally a couple minutes ago, I filmed this continuously, so there's no edits. Perfectly clean hands. Then, when you're done with that, just grab you a paper towel, wipe it off, and you're ready for dinner.